fresh grad, walang work experience. Kung fresh graduate ka o student ka pa lang, pero gusto mo na magka-income kahit wala ka pang work experience. At kung maaari dahil strict ang parents, gusto sana ay work from home, then this video is for you. By the way, I am posting 11 videos and this is video number 2. So kung ito yung una mong nakita, ito yung unang dumaan sa feed mo, perhaps this is a sign. Pwede ka na maging financial or bookkeeping virtual assistant kahit beginner ka. Sa financial virtual assistant, ang kauna-unahang skill na dapat meron ka ay yung ginagawa mo na sa school. Mag-update ka ng data but this time for financial records. Magawa ng reports, income, expenses, nag-check ng invoices at payments. Tutulungan ng pagbabudget with client. Magamit ng tools kagaya ng Google Sheets, QuickBooks, Xero. Don't worry kahit wala ka pang experience kasi meron kaming budget-friendly na training, only 499 pesos. At pwede mo papagandaan to kasi sa September 14 pa yung next class. To join, click the link in my bio. Pagkatapos, click the GigHub. Dating mo sa GigHub, nandito na lahat. Free at paid resources nandito. But under live mentorship, ikiklik mo lang 499 Financial VA without internship. Wala tayong internship ha. So, ibig sabihin, right after that 8-hour class, pwede ka na dumiretso sa application book kung saan tuturuan ka namin mag-apply. So from onboarding down to mock interview, kasama na sa 499 pesos. Amazing deal, diba? So start your freelancing journey today. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis and we'll see you at the classroom. Bye!